my 3 tips as an LCM piano teacher. In pieces like this, I recommend my students to sing along with it, but there is no lyrics, so how? Read the notes with the rhythm and melody. It's a lively piece. Before you start practicing, do the paperwork and define every single note. Then read them out loud. Once you start practicing, pay close attention to the fingering. Be smart with your fingering because you should play this piece a bit fast. You know what I say. Accuracy first, speed second. Learn the notes, then the fingering. Practice slowly, and that's how you become fast and accurate. Always count. Here we have 16 notes. If you know how to count them, you will know how fun to play them. Here's our quarter note. Let's call it Tafa Tefe, and it's our 18th note. And let's call it Tafa and Tefe. And here is the star of the piece. 16 notes. Let's call them Ta, Fa, Te, Fe. Tafa, Tefe, Tafa, Tefe, Tafa, Tefe. And when you start practicing, you should count them like this. Ta, fa, te, fe, 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 ta, fa, te, fe. Learn the left hand by dividing the piece. There are 2 different patterns in the left hand. Let's have a look at them. Let's say here we have the first pattern and the second one, and here we have exactly same with the first pattern. Okay, you should practice the first pattern by placing your hand in the right position. Practice it very slow and don't look at your hand while doing it. Never skip the clef changings. Okay, it starts with F and A. You should repeat it many times, and when you practice it very well, you'll see it will be very easy. Here in the second pattern, middle C is the upper note, as you see, and we change the lower note each bar. So let's practice it separately. Place your hand from E to middle C, and it starts with E note. And it goes up in the lower note. Up, up, and finish with E. So you can keep it in mind, like it starts with E, goes up to A, and finish with E. So you should practice these 2 patterns separately. And the most important tip is